So I wanted to share with everyone why I've been so stressed out lately. Mood swings have been going crazy, and I really wanted to target like the girls, so hopefully maybe you can avoid this stress. So
what the fuck? Why are you looking at me? Oh, like I'm the reason? Like I'm the reason you're stressed? The fuck did I do? Oh, you want to relieve some stress. Why you keep looking down there? You want to relieve some stress? That's my bad. You know what? I have been a little slow lately. I've been grinding, I've been working, been focused, not giving enough you time and me time. So you know what? Let's go on a date, and then after, I'm going to break down them walls.
that's why I've been stressed.